We are pleased to show you the 2019 911. 911, safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, side airbags, air conditioning, passenger airbag, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, climate control. Come see the car for yourself.